Obviously, every machine is a little different, so always check your sewing machine manual for the best guidance. Turn off or unplug your machine to avoid any injury. Turn the hand wheel towards you to raise the needle bar to its highest position. Push the presser foot lever downwards to lower the presser foot. Using your fingers or a screwdriver, turn the needle clamp screw towards you or anti-clockwise to loosen it. After choosing the right needle for your project, I've linked a helpful video on that in the description below. With the flat side facing away from you, insert it into the needle clamp. Push it up as far as it will go. While holding the needle in place, tighten the screw by turning it clockwise or away from you until it's secure. To remove the needle, follow steps 1 to 4, then carefully pull the needle downward and remove it. Tip 1. Replace your needle regularly. A worn or damaged needle can cause a lot of problems, including frayed or breaking thread, skipped or uneven stitches, puckered seams, damaged fabric, popping sounds while sewing. Tip 2. Do the tights test. Insert your needle into an old pair of sheer tights. If it pierces smoothly, your needle is okay to use. If it snags, pulls or catches, the tip is damaged and it's time to replace it. Here are a few common mistakes to watch out for. Installing the needle backwards, not pushing the needle all the way up, leaving the screw loose, using the wrong needle type for your fabric, forgetting to turn off the machine. For more sewing Bexpertise, I've linked helpful videos in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy sewing!